My name's Matt Kidd. I'm the CEO of Endless Energy. I am so excited today to tell you that we are part of the newly named Mass Save Heat Pump Leader Network. This is such an important designation for us. We've been working with Mass Save for such a long time with the heat pump program, as well as with their insulation and home energy assessment program. But to be recognized really in kind of the top 50 or so companies in terms of quality and what they feel like we're providing customers is really important to us. And it speaks volumes to what our staff here at Endless Energy is trying to do. Now, in order for us to be part of this network, we had to go through a pretty strict regimen where they examined what did our installs look like? What does our quality look like? And while the program is not endorsing us per se and saying you need to use Endless Energy, it is a testament to what we have been able to provide customers through the Mass Save Heat Pump Rebate Program, really since it started the whole home rebate 4 years ago. So with this, what it means is not only are you getting a system that is properly designed, that we're using new technology to make sure that you have the most accurate manual J's, manual S, manual D as well. But in addition to that, that the install is ticking all the right boxes. So a good part of the program is making sure that installers like us are going through and that we're tying out everything correctly, that we're sealing things correctly, that you are charged correctly in terms of refrigerant, and that we're following everything to the book. And that's a really important thing because so much of how your heat pump system works is tied to how well it's installed. And so that's something that is very important to us here at Endless Energy. And being included as part of this is a testament to our commitment to quality installations for customers throughout Massachusetts. All of these commitments to quality are so important this year because due to the newly passed big beautiful bill, heat pump federal tax credits, the 25C tax credit, is ending at the end of this year. And so that means if you want to take advantage of this tax credit, which is valued at 30% of your project up to $2,000, you need to install your heat pump system by December 31st. Now, what does that mean? It means a lot of people are going to be rushing to get heat pump systems installed. But if you're working with somebody that has no idea what you're doing, you're going to be in a big mess next year and be really upset with the results that you have. And so you don't want to do that. You want to work with a company that is committed to a proper installation and proper quality. So if you're interested in exploring a heat pump in Massachusetts and want to get in before that December 31st deadline to get that federal tax credit, give us a call at 508-501-9990 or book online at goendlessenergy.com.